Hello! Welcome to Grandpa C Games. I'm Grandpa C, and we're going to play another round of Red Dead Redemption 2. I actually got my hat this time. This is actually my normal hat I wear. I actually shot the snake and made a hat band out of it, so here we go. I'm gonna fit the part. So anyway, let's just see how we do. I think last time we did the little game with Bobby Brooks or whatever, so let's just see what's going on here. Where am I going? Come on, run, correle, correle. Howdy. Alright. I don't want to give you a nickel, so let's just see where we're going here. Let's get the map. See. Oh, there's that guy. I don't know if we want to do so much any side missions as... Let's just kind of concentrate on the main game right for this time. So, do I have a horse? Nope, I'm going to have to...
I just want to get a drink. I'm parched.
Yeah. Do. I'm going to run over here.
What's your problem?
I got many. Let's go see.
That queasy feeling you've been having? Think that's because there's so many O'Driscolls about.
Yeah. Need to get to camp.
A few moments later.
Okay, here we are back at camp. Let's just see what's going on here.
Hey, Arthur.
Alright, let's go hunting with Hosea.
Hosea,
You want to go hunting?
what are you hunting? An elephant?
I wish. No. I saw a huge bear. One of the biggest I ever saw. I reckon nearly 1,000 pounds.
My God. But you need me to come with you.
Of course. Let's go.
Where are we heading exactly?
Up near the Dakota River. Might take a day or two.
I could do with a break from this place.
Me too. It's been a rough couple of weeks. You need anything?
I don't think so. I got all I need.
Let's go then. So you still ain't replaced Boadicea?
Nah, I miss her. She was quite a horse. This one's okay. Ain't no Boadicea.
I've been meaning to offload this big Shire horse for a while now. Unruly bastard.
Where'd you get him?
Some big, loudmouth bastard tried to rob me, was out riding, so well, you know how it is.
I see.
Let's take him to Valentine. It's on the way, sorta. There's a decent dealer there. We'll unload him, you can buy yourself a new horse. Put your saddle on them, let's get going. Don't let that big bastard get the better of you there, Arthur.
He's all right. You're okay, boy.
Stables are just up ahead. All right, finest meet you. Go sell that big brute. Buy yourself a horse.
Okay.
I'm going out to the general store. Get a few things to lure that bear out. Meet you back here.
Hey, how can I help you? I'm in the market for a new horse. Something strong and fast.
Yeah, you're in the right place. I got some beauties in at the moment. What about this one here? You looking to sell?
I ain't sure yet.
You got papers?
No. No papers.
Of course, that's going to affect what I can pay. But your luck's in. I got a fella who's been looking for a decent workhorse like this for a while. He'll pay a good price. Otherwise, I can always stable him here for you. Here, take a look.
Okay, let's see. What do we got? Sell or stable the horse? I can sell it, because that's what Hosea wanted me to do. So let's just go sell it. I ain't got the money for that. Definitely ain't got the money for that. I guess the Morgan is all I got. Enter Unhame. Oh, what am I going to do? What should we do? Doink, 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 doink. I got it. If you guys don't get that, I don't know what to tell you. I think that's it. I'm not going to do much else to it.
You got yourself a deal. And a fine new horse.
I hope so.
Well, I don't sell anything other than good animals. You have my word on that.
Sure. Just like any other used car salesman.
Here are your papers. And on me, a new grooming brush. And some treats.
Appreciate it.
All right, you treat this fella well. I know he's gonna look after you just fine.
Interesting choice. How much did you pay for that thing?
Not that much.
Okay, well, with some good care, you should be able to make something of it. All right, let's get going. We got quite a
Whatever
ride
you
ahead
say.
of us.
Either way.
Well, come on, let's go.
So, what's this lake we're heading for?
It's called O'Creagh's Run, up in the mountains east of Cumberland Falls. I just hope I can remember how to get there.
Back into the mountains. I sure didn't figure on that.
But this time, we're doing the chasing. So how are things with you and John?
Fine.
Ain't it about time you let it go now?
It was a year, Hosea. He ditched us for a goddamn year.
I've spoken to him many times. He knows he did wrong. He just wants to put it behind him.
I'm sure he does. Running off on that kid is one thing, but there's a code. He knows that. He ain't Trelawney. Dutch and you pretty much raised him.
I know. But it's done. Has been for a while now.
Again, can you imagine riding everywhere on horseback?
Yes, I remember this place. Moonstone Pond. We're going the right way.
No maps, no GPS.
That's the lake there. Good. We made it. Let's loop around the other side. Oh. Yeah.
I guess I gotta feed my horse. Where's my horse? Feed my horse.
Sorry, girl.
There we go. Now you eating?
Good girl.
There you go.
Look there.
Oop.
Rabbits. Maybe we should catch one to cook.
Sure. Try and shoot.
There we go.
You don't want to use anything too powerful on a small animal.
Go.
I ain't picking it up. It's your kill.
Me. You're the one that said to shoot the goddamn thing. Alright, here we are. We's gonna skin it. Not quite that easy. I've skinned many a rabbit. It is not quite that easy. But pretty close sometimes. As long as you do them right after you kill them. You let them sit for a while, it can be a pain in the ass.
Sure.
Well, then you get to set up.
I did. There it is.
We'll try our luck down by the water. That's where I saw him last.
Okay.
How's that horse treating you?
So far, so good.
You know, I was in this area with Bessie years ago.
Really? I didn't know that. I imagine you still miss her.
Every day.
Did you two ever think about getting out of the light?
We did briefly. You don't remember? Guess you were still young. Didn't last long. I drifted back into it. She understood. She knew what I was.
I remember you not being around for a while, but well, things were looser back then.
Truth is, there's never really any getting out. Staying in, it's hard. You know that. But Bessie and I made it work. Why? You thinking about getting out?
Me? No, of course not.
Listen, if Dutch's grand plans work, and we can make enough money to go someplace new, really new, maybe we can all have a new start. Anyway, for now, let's try and chase ourselves a bear, shall we?
Never hunted bear.
Let's slip by the water here, see if he's been fishing again recently.
I imagine it's pretty intense.
Oh. Look for tracks, dung, bones, any sign of him.
Oh, I see something. What is it? Inspect it.
There's some paw marks here, Hosea. They sure look big enough.
Good. Let's hope it's him.
Alright,
Can you
one.
tell which way he went?
This way.
Let's go this way. Ooh.
Tracks. Go into those trees.
Oh, see something over there. Ah, if hunting was only this easy.
Wait a minute. Something on the ground here.
Half-eaten fish here. Must have been left by our friend, I reckon.
Come on, see if there's anything else.
Do. This is the way we follow the tracks. Yep, there it is.
Something else on the ground, just here. There's shit here. Watch your step.
Looks real fresh. Reckon he's got to be close.
Let's keep going. Looks like the trail ends here. We lost him?
For now. A little optimism, Arthur.
Well, what do you think?
I think we split up and each look.
Either that or we could place bait here.
That could work. Which you think?
Oh, if I was smart, I'd use the bait.
Let's bait here.
Fine by me. Let's leave the bag over there. By those boulders up ahead, looks like a good spot for it.
Alright, let's run over here. Run over there. Open up the satchel. Get the predator bait. We want to use it. And go back to the rocks.
£1,000, you say?
More or less. Big scar down his face. Hey, did that bait look okay to you?
I think so. You're the expert.
Ready with your gun there?
I'm good. You okay? You seem nervous.
So do you. I'm fine.
Dum de dum de dum dum dum.
Let's just take a look at that bait.
Sure.
Come on.
We only just said it, Hosea.
I know, but we need
Gotta
to
be a
do
little
this right.
patient when you hunt. Inspect the bait.
Give me a hand here. Got your knife? Easy. That's too close.
Shoot the bear. Yep, nope. Break free from the bear. Break free from the bear. Go to Hosea. Gotta get my hat first.
Over here, Arthur.
I'm working on it. Oh man, you weren't even anywhere near the bear.
You're fine, old man.
Of course I'm fine. It's nothing. Nothing at all.
Thank you. I think. That was fun.
You know what, Arthur Morgan? I'm a little old and beaten up to be after the biggest game. You can have this.
What is it?
It's a map. A man in a bar gave it to me. Well, I stole it from him, but that's another story. He said it told him where to find some real big animals.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. You saved my life, Arthur. I think I'm going back to camp to lick my wounds. You coming, or you gonna track that monster? Well,
No, we'll go with Hosea this time. I have plenty of time to go get him.
I'm coming with you.
just get going then.
Alright, so I think we're going to end it here. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. Comment if you wish. Otherwise, we will join you later. Or see you later. One of the two. Bye.